Ah, wood. A material that has been cherished for centuries, bringing a touch of nature into our homes. A timeless material that graces our homes with its warmth and elegance. From rustic cabins to modern apartments, wood is a staple in interior design. But alas, even the most well-tended wood furniture can fall victim to unsightly white marks. These marks often appear after placing a hot cup or a wet glass directly on the surface. These blemishes, often appearing as hazy rings or cloudy patches, can detract from the wood's natural beauty and leave homeowners perplexed. They are usually caused by moisture or heat, which penetrates the finish and gets trapped beneath the surface. Fear not, for there is hope. With the right techniques and a bit of patience, you can remove these marks and restore your furniture. This guide will empower you with the knowledge to combat these pesky white marks and restore your wood furniture to its former glory. We'll explore various methods from using household items like baking soda and toothpaste to specialized wood care products. So let's dive in and bring back the luster to your cherished wooden pieces. Before we delve into the solutions, it's helpful to understand the enemy moisture. White marks often occur when moisture becomes trapped beneath the wood's surface finish. Heat, especially from hot dishes or appliances, exacerbates this issue. It softens the finish, allowing moisture to penetrate deeper and wreaking havoc on the wood's appearance. For those pesky, superficial white marks on your wooden furniture, your pantry might hold the solution. You don't need to rush out to buy expensive products. Instead, look around your home for some simple items that can do the trick. Gentle heat can work wonders. A common household item like a hairdryer can be incredibly effective. Set your hairdryer to its lowest setting. This gentle heat can help to coax trapped moisture out of the wood, which is often the cause of those unsightly marks. Keep the dryer moving in sweeping motions to avoid concentrating heat in one spot, which could potentially damage the wood. Another trusty ally in your home is toothpaste. Yes, the same toothpaste you use to keep your teeth clean can also help with wood marks. Use non-gel toothpaste and mix it with a bit of baking soda. This combination forms a mildly abrasive paste that can help to buff out the marks. Gently rub this paste onto the mark using a soft cloth. Make sure to work with the wood grain to avoid any scratches. After rubbing, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth. You'll be amazed at how effective these simple home remedies can be. Your wooden surfaces will look as good as new. Section 4. Calling in the cavalry commercial products for stubborn marks. For more stubborn white marks, it might be time to call in Reinforcements commercial wood care products. Products like Restore a Finish are specially formulated to penetrate the finish and redistribute pigments, effectively camouflaging white marks. Always test any product in an inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with your wood finish. Section 5. Prevention is key, safeguarding your wood furniture. In this section we will explore some essential tips and tricks to keep your wood furniture looking pristine and beautiful for years to come. Prevention, as they say, is the best cure. This age-old wisdom holds especially true when it comes to maintaining the elegance and durability of your wood furniture. By taking a few simple steps, you can avoid common issues like white marks, scratches, and moisture damage. Safeguarding your wood furniture from future white marks is easier than you think. Regular maintenance, such as polishing, can keep your furniture looking new and shiny. Polishing not only enhances the appearance but also adds a protective layer that can help prevent minor scratches and stains. Always use coasters and placemats to provide a barrier between hot or cold items and your precious wood surfaces. This simple habit can prevent those unsightly white rings and heat marks that can mar the beauty of your furniture. Wipe up spills immediately to prevent moisture from seeping into the finish. Moisture is one of the biggest enemies of wood furniture, and even a small spill can cause significant damage if not addressed promptly. Keep a soft cloth handy to tackle spills as soon as they happen. And lastly, consider using a protective sealant or wax to provide an extra layer of defense against moisture damage. These products can create a barrier that helps to repel water and other liquids, ensuring that your wood furniture remains in excellent condition. Regular application of wax or sealant can significantly extend the life of your furniture.